अगर आपको पासवर्ड भूल गए अपना ज़िप फाइल का, विंडोर फाइल का नहीं, तो आप ये सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करके अपने जितने भी गेस्ट पासवर्ड हैं, मिसाल आप कहते हो 123 था या शान था या कुछ और था, कोई और भी पासवर्ड था, तो आप उसको लिख कर इस फाइल के अंदर, टेक्स्ट के अंदर इसको अपलोड करेंगे इस सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर। ये सॉफ्टवेयर खुद बता देगा क्या उनमें से कोई पासवर्ड था या नहीं। इसका कंप्लीट डेमो आप इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। Hi, what's up guys, it's me Shan Iqbal Advisor here. Today in this video I'll show you how you can recover your old files, photos or whatever you have in the zip file or WinRAR file. It's very easy to get it, but remember one thing, I just made a mistake that I mentioned WinRAR but it worked only on zip file. So anyway, you can also try that one. And this is a simple software, not any crack, keygen or patch. That's not a patch or keygen, right? Don't even think that it will work for as a keygen or something like that. I'm not providing any kind of hacking tools. I'm not providing any kind of software which is cracking everything. No. So it's very simple, and I'm gonna speak both language, like I will speak Hindi and Urdu, then I will speak English. Okay, so you can also read that on the notepad as well. So whatever I'm just going to do, it's very simple. First you need to do that, आपने सबसे पहले जो ना करना है कि आपने फाइल डाउनलोड करनी है. You need to download the file. This is the file and this link is in the description. Okay, once you have downloaded, okay, click here and then click download, and I have already the file on my desktop. Then just click on it, right click on it, then extract here. So this is the instruction file which is already open here, and this file is the raw queue. It means it contains the most common password 12345 1235. And if you forgot the password of the zip file, and just try to remember whatever you can. Okay, you understand, and then just write it here in the new file, or you can use this file as well, but I'm just showing you a demo. मैं just एक demo show कर रहा हूँ, तो इसलिए मैं आपको एक पासवर्ड क्रैक करके बताता हूँ तो कैसे करते हैं. तो क्या करना है, आपने यहाँ पर लिखना है guess password. Okay, open it, type here whatever you can guess, like I forgot the password of my zip file. Okay, and then I'll type like Shan Iqbal Advisor, maybe I will say Shan Iqbal Advisor 1233, something like this, or something like this, school, my friend, and it goes on, everything whatever you can remember, just type it here, and then Control S, save it, and then just close this file. I have this file, I will just add them to archive, set the password, I will say 123, and then just click OK. Okay, and select the zip file, click OK, then OK. Here's the true file. So forget about these files. Now come to this one, double click on it and select the zip file. Like I have this file and I want to open the password for this one. I need the password for this file, so I will click OK, and then I'll select the guess password. Click here, select the dictionary and select guess password, and now I will click on start cracking. Once you have clicked on this start cracking, it says that count 11. It means 11 words are here inside, but it didn't show anything. So we're going to type the exact password 123, and then I'll control save, control S, close it, and then I will type again, stop, click here again, stop, and then I will start crack again. Cracked. It means the password is 123. Copy to the clipboard. So the password is cracked. Now the password is 123. It means your software is saying, English if is saying the password is 123. So you're gonna just copy this password or whatever you can, click OK, close this one, right click on it, it will say 123, click OK, and that's it. I have the file. Alright, it's very simple. And guys, I hope you like this video. If you have any confusion, please let me know. And I want to say thanks to Genius Man and Cat, whatever name it is, on the GitHub, you can see from here. So we want to thank you so much for this software. It's very simple and very clever software. Okay, no need to type so many time password and clicking on the files and opening again and again. So that's very simple. तो ये बहुत ही आसान पासवर्ड का एक सॉफ्टवेयर है, जिससे आपको कंप्लीट आइडिया हो जाएगा कि आपका पासवर्ड कौन सा. अब आप बार बार तो नहीं करते रहोगे ना सर, ठीक है. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like this video, and if you like it then stay in touch. I'm gonna upload more videos on tech, because channel is based on tech. Sometimes I upload random videos about fraud people and those kind of things, and they talk and blah blah blah. So that's it, and that's it from my side, and love you all. Take care, bye bye, and peace.